Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that working with math module. Okay, working with math module in Python. Okay, normally math module is a inbuilt Python provide library to perform mathematical operations in Python. Okay, to perform mathematical operations in Python, so Python provides inbuilt module called math. Okay, to use math module functions, okay, to use math module functions we need to import a math module like just like this. Okay, we need to import math module just like this, and this is called alias name. This is called what? Alias name. So by using this we are getting some information on math module. Okay, so this is what we discussed in the last session. Today we are going to discuss about working with the random module. Okay, today we are going to discuss about working with the random module. Working with the random module. Okay, today we have to discuss about working with the random module. So normally random module is nothing but to generate some random numbers at runtime. Okay, random module is nothing but to generate some random numbers at a runtime. Okay, those are five functions. Okay, random module provides a inbuilt some. There are functions. Those are nothing but five. One is a random function, and the second one is a randint, uniform, randrange, and a choice. Okay, let me explain each and everything clearly. First, observe first random function. Okay, first, okay, let me write a random module. Random module provides a below functions. Provides a below function. Okay, random module provides below function. First one is a random function. Okay, random function. Next, provides a first function called the random function. Actually, random function is going to generate the some text. I mean, it's going to generate the value in between 0 to 1. Okay, it's going to generate the values in between 0 to 1. That means this function always generates some float value between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, those are nothing but not inclusive. Okay, not inclusive. Okay, not inclusive means it should not, right? Just like this, 0 less than x less than 1, 0 less than x less than 1. This function always generates some float value between 0 and 1, but they are not inclusive. Make sure they are not inclusive. Okay, 0 less than x less than 1. So observe the program. You have idea why I'm executing only through ideally. Okay, make sure. First of all, I'm importing module called a random module. So directly I have to use internal functions. Means directly what I'm doing means from random. Okay, from random import star. Okay, you have idea from random import star means what is the meaning of this one. So in internal random module, how many are there? Those all directly will be available. Okay, inside random module all functions are by default available because of this star. Okay, now observe, for I in range of, okay, for I in range of 10, for I in range of 10, print random. Okay, now observe here, I'm importing random module and I'm generating some numbers. Okay, I'm generating some random numbers, but those are not inclusive. Okay, observe the output 0 and 1. It is giving in 0 and 1 in between, not reaching 1, not with 0. Okay, clear, right? This is nothing but what a random module. Okay, this is nothing but what a random module. Next concept is randint. Next concept is nothing but what a randint function. Next concept is nothing but what a randint. Randint is nothing but to generate random integer between two given numbers. Okay, it is nothing but to generate. Okay, to generate random. Okay, to generate random integer between two given numbers. Okay, two given numbers inclusive. To generate random integer between two given numbers. Okay, these are inclusive. Okay, these are inclusive. Clear? Now observe here what I am doing. Just random module importing star. But here what I am taking means randint. Okay, randint, and I am passing the value 1 comma 100. But these are inclusive. Okay, what I am saying, randint generating integer between two given numbers, but those are inclusive. We can get the exact 1 and 100 also, but not sure when it will give. Okay, not sure when it will give, but these are inclusive. 100% it will come, but we are not sure when it will come. Okay, I will run multiple times. Observe. Python test dot randint. Okay, what mistake I did? Randint. Okay, randint. Clear? Now observe. So these are the numbers it is generating. Randint. We are not sure when it will come 1 and 100. Okay, but run from your end if you want multiple times. Okay, run from your end multiple times. Some one way it will come. See, if you observe here 100. Okay, if you observe here 100 is coming. In the same way, 1 also will come. So we can say that randint is inclusive. Okay, randint is inclusive to generate random integer between two given numbers. Clear? This is nothing but what a randint function. Okay, randint function. Clear? Next. Next concept. Uniform function. Okay, next concept is nothing but what a uniform function. Uniform function. It returns a random float value between two given numbers. Okay, it returns. Okay, it returns a float value. Okay, it returns a float value. Float values between two given numbers. Okay, two given numbers, but those are not inclusive. Okay, those are not inclusive. Okay, those are not inclusive. So how it will give? Okay, how it will give. Observe here, I'm telling these are not inclusive, right? These are not what inclusive. Next, I'm going for the program. Okay, I'm going for the program. From random import start. So for everything, this is the common, but I'm changing only the function. Okay, I'm changing only the function. Uniform. Okay, uniform 1 comma 100. Okay, let me take 10 only. So let me take 10 only. But what I'm saying here, these are not what inclusive. Okay, these are not what inclusive. Okay, we will not get 1 and 10. Okay, we will not get 100% 1 and 10. So in between only we'll get the 2 to be floating value. That to be floating value. Okay, observe here. If you observe here 1 and 10, in between we are getting floating value only. Don't think that 1.85 means not equal to 1. Okay, don't think 1.85 is not equal to 1. So simply if it is going to give 1.00 means you can consider, but here I'm saying that what not inclusive means exactly 1 and 10 will not come. Okay, 1 and 10 will not come. So if you observe any case also, it will not. Clear? This is nothing but what a uniform function. Okay, this is nothing but what a uniform function. Next, next concept is a rand range. Rand range function. Okay, next function, next concept is nothing but what a rand range. So rand range function is going to generate number from some range. Okay, it is going to generate random number from range. Okay, that means returns returns a random number. Okay, returns a random number from range. Okay, returns a random number from range. Okay, next. So syntax. Okay, syntax will be rand range. Okay, rand range start comma stop comma step. Start comma stop comma step. So start less than or equal to x less than or equal to step. Okay, sorry, stop. Start x less than or equal to less than or equal to stop. Okay, next point. Start argument should be always optional. Okay, start argument. Okay, start argument, that means this one. Start argument is always optional, is always optional, and default. Okay, default value is 0. Next, stop argument. Okay, stop argument is always optional. Okay, stop argument is always optional, and default value is 1. Default value is 1. Clear? Next, So with respect to range, I will give you examples so you can practice with the programs. Okay, observe here. Suppose I'm taking rand range. Okay, suppose if I'm taking rand range 10, rand range 10 generates a number. It generates a number from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Rand range. Okay, rand range, rand range 1 comma 11, 1 comma 11 generates a number from 1 1 to 10. Okay, generates a number from 1 to 10. Okay, rand range means one step value down, one step value down. Next, rand range 1 comma 11 comma 2, 1 comma 11 comma 2, 1 comma 11 comma 2 generates a number. Okay, generates a number from 1 comma 3 comma, sorry, 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Okay, so every time step value increasing. Okay, every time step value is increasing. 9 after 11, so 11 is not considering. Okay, 11 is not considering. Clear? This is nothing but what? Random range. Okay, this is nothing but what? Rand range. Clear? So next, just observe as of now one small example with respect to this. With respect to rand range, I will give rand range. Okay, I'm providing only 10. Okay, I'm providing 10 only up to certain range of 10. Okay, up to certain range of 10 rand range, it's going to give some values. Okay, it's going to give some values. Observe the output. So G7, some values it is generating, some values it is generating. Clear? Some values it is generating. Next, next is choice function. Next concept is nothing but what? Choice function. Let me copy this example. Choice function. Okay, last function is nothing but what? Choice function. Choice function. Choice function means it is not going to return any random number. Okay, it won't return any random number. It won't. Okay, it won't return any random number. Okay, it won't return any random number. Okay, next, it won't return any random number. It will return a random object. Okay, it will return a random object. It will return a random object from given list or tuple. It will return a random object from the given list or tuple. Okay, you know what is list and tuple, right? So let me explain this scenario with example, then you will get much clarity. Okay, first of all, what is choice function means? It won't return any random number. Up to 4 functions we discussed regarding numbers only. It is generating based on certain range numbers. Okay, but the last function is nothing but choice function. Choice functions, it won't return any random number. The intention of choice function, it will return random object from the given list or tuple. Okay, from the given list or tuple. Clear? Next, observe here. I'm taking one list. Okay, I'm taking one list. List is equal to Sai. Next, Rajesh. Next, next, Ram. Okay, I'm taking some values inside the list. Okay, some taking some information in the list. Okay, for I in range of 10. Okay, for I in range of 10, print rand range of 10. Okay, this is the nothing but what the previous one. Okay, for I in range of 10, for I in range of 10, print, okay, print choice of list, print choice of list, print choice of list, print choice of list. Choice is a function defined in random module. A choice is a function defined in random module to pick a random element from this list. Okay, we are passing list as argument to the choice function. It's going to pick random element, a random object from the given list. Clear? Now observe the output. So let me take how many are there? Okay, let me take 5. Print star. Okay, if you observe here, first Rajesh, Sai, Shankar, Durga, Durga. So if you observe here, Durga is treated two more times, but one name is missed. What is that name? What is that name? It missed. It is Mr. Ram. Last name it is missed. If you observe here, okay. Now with this time, all names came. This time also, almost all names came. Here one name is missed. Okay. Here, here also one name is missed. Rajesh twice. Okay, this is nothing but what a choice function. Choice function is going to return random object from the given list or tuple, and it won't return any number. The previous four functions are meant for to generate a random numbers. Okay, previous numbers are to represent to generate some random numbers, but last function is not for to generate random number. Okay, this is nothing but what one small example. Okay, if you want, you can execute and you can get cross check the output. Clear? This is nothing but what a random module. It is nothing but what a next last point. Random module. This module, okay. This module defines several functions. Okay, this module defines several functions to generate random numbers. This module defines several functions to generate some random numbers. Okay, some random numbers. Next, we can use this function. Okay, normally we can use these functions. Okay, we can use these functions while developing. Okay, while developing games in cryptography. Cryptography. and to generate random numbers or fly for authentication. We can use these functions while developing games in cryptographic and generate some random numbers or fly for authentication. So the main intention of a random module is to generate random numbers and while developing in games in cryptographic and generating some random numbers. Clear, right? So this is nothing but what a random module. Okay, this is nothing but what a random module in Python. Clear? So thanks friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Okay. Please thanks for watching this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.